garden harvest in my Jamaican backyard garden.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacy. Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
So, come along with me. So guys, I've harvested from this callaloo a few times before, and look how it spring up back. And this is one stalk, you know guys. Look, one stalk, and it is doing so much good for me. So when you harvest, just remember not to root it up. You can just cut from the stalk. Look at this. It's so good. Look at this. Good enough for breakfast. Alright, so we are going to get cucumbers. Guys, I just want to take the time out to acknowledge all of you. Thank you so much for being a part of the GWS family, Gardening with Stacy family. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Big up to all my loyal supporters. Thank you so much. I sincerely appreciate you all. Enough blessings to you and your family. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I'm not sure how many, but let's see. So we're going to get these two right here. Nice. Let's get the other one. This feels so good, guys. I think I have another little one under here. Let's get that one as well. This one didn't pollinate properly, but I'm still grateful. I am so grateful. This feels so good, guys. Alright, so let's get the Scotch bonnets. Let me get this one first. Let me leave this right here. One right here. I'm only picking the ripe ones, guys. The ripe ones. If I am cooking and I need a green one, I can just come and get it. So this pepper now probably is Scotch bonnet cousin, because I really don't know which one this is. It looks like Scotch bonnet, so I'm going to say it's Scotch bonnet cousin. Alright. I have a few more Scotch bonnets over here. To get this one. This one. I'm just going to get this one. It is ripening. There we go.
have more callaloo here, but I'm not ready to get those another time. I need to get these scallions or green onions. This is some of them bending over. I'm going to get those and leave the ones that are standing up tall, standing strong. I'm going to leave those for another time. Smells so good, guys. Didn't even realize that a piece of my callaloo fell. So this is what we're getting today, guys. Oh, I need a piece of basil for tea. Let me get that. This amount is good enough. I'm just going to use the leaves to make tea. So this is my little harvest right here. Looking so good. Do you agree?
What would you like from this basket? Comment below and tell me. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, walk good.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the whole massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. What a nice place to live. Sweet Jam.